the human touch, the irreplaceable role of teachers. Teachers do more than just teach facts. They inspire students. They motivate them to learn. They create a safe and supportive learning environment. Can AI do this? Can AI understand a student's emotions? Can it provide a shoulder to cry on when a student is feeling down? Probably not. Human connection is essential for learning. Teachers provide this connection. They build relationships with their students. They understand their strengths and weaknesses. They know how to motivate each student. This is something that AI cannot replicate. Section 5. Finding the balance: AI and teachers as partners in education. So, where does this leave us in the evolving landscape of education? Is AI a threat to teachers? Absolutely not. AI is a powerful tool that can assist teachers in numerous ways. It can streamline their workload and make their jobs significantly easier. By automating routine tasks, AI can free up their time so they can focus on what they do best: teach and inspire. The future of education is a harmonious partnership between AI and teachers. Teachers can leverage AI tools to create personalized learning experiences for each student. They can use these tools to provide students with instant, meaningful feedback. AI can also assist teachers with time-consuming administrative tasks. This will give teachers more time to engage deeply with their students. This collaboration will create a richer, more rewarding, and more effective learning experience for everyone involved. Section 6. The future of learning: a collaborative approach. The world of learning is changing rapidly, evolving in ways we could have only imagined a few years ago. AI is playing a big role in this change, revolutionizing how we approach education and learning. But we must remember that technology is only part of the solution. It is a tool, not a replacement. We need to find a balance between AI and human interaction, ensuring that both elements complement each other. In the future, the best learning environments will be those that embrace both technology and human touch. They will use AI to enhance the learning experience, providing personalized and adaptive learning paths for each student. But they will never lose sight of the importance of human connection, empathy, and guidance. This is the future of learning, a collaborative approach where AI and teachers work together seamlessly to create a brighter future for all learners. Let's embrace this future and work together to make it a reality.